Naan, the beloved Indian flatbread, is a staple in many households. It's easier to make than you think. No yeast, no problem. This no-yeast naan recipe is a game changer. Using simple ingredients like flour, yogurt, and baking powder, you can whip up a batch in no time. The result is soft, fluffy naan that rivals any restaurant version. Perfect for scooping up curries, dipping in sauces, or enjoying on its own. This recipe is quick and easy. It's great for weeknight meals when time is of the essence. Imagine coming home and having fresh naan ready in minutes. You can enjoy fresh naan without the long wait for dough to rise. It's a time saver and a crowd pleaser. This recipe is also incredibly versatile. Add your favorite herbs or spices to the dough to make it your own. Whether you like garlic, cilantro, or even a touch of chili, the possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Your support helps us create more delicious content. You will need 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1/4 cup warm water, and 2 tablespoons oil, plus extra for cooking. These simple ingredients are probably in your kitchen. You can start baking right now. In a large bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. These are the foundational dry ingredients that will give structure and flavor to our dough. Make sure to measure them accurately for the best results. Make a well in the center. This will help to incorporate the wet ingredients more evenly into the dry mixture, ensuring a smooth dough. In a separate bowl, whisk together yogurt, warm water, and oil. The yogurt adds a tangy flavor and helps to tenderize the dough, while the warm water activates the baking powder. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. This step is crucial for combining all the elements of the dough. Mix until a soft dough forms. You can use a spoon or your hands. The dough should come together and be slightly sticky but manageable. Knead the dough for 5 minutes. This process develops the gluten, giving the dough its elasticity and strength. It should be smooth and elastic. This texture indicates that the dough is ready for the next step. Place the dough in a greased bowl. The grease prevents the dough from sticking and helps it rise evenly. Cover it with a damp cloth. This keeps the dough moist and prevents it from drying out. Let it rest for 30 minutes. This resting period allows the dough to relax and the flavors to meld together, making it easier to work with later. Begin by dividing the dough into 6 equal portions. This ensures that each naan will cook evenly and have a consistent texture. Roll each portion into an oval shape about 1/4 inch thick. This shape helps the naan cook evenly and gives it that classic look. Heat a large skillet or griddle over medium heat. Make sure it's hot enough to cook the naan quickly, but not so hot that it burns. Carefully place one of the rolled out naans onto the hot skillet. You should hear a slight sizzle as it hits the pan. Cook the naan for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You'll know it's ready to flip when bubbles start to form on the surface. The naan should puff up and develop beautiful brown spots. This indicates that it's cooked through and has that perfect fluffy texture. Once cooked, brush the naan with melted butter or ghee. This adds a rich flavor and keeps the bread moist. To keep the naan warm and soft, wrap them in a clean kitchen towel. This also helps to absorb any excess moisture. Serve the naan immediately with your favorite curry or dip. The warm, fluffy bread is perfect for soaking up all those delicious flavors. For an extra burst of flavor, sprinkle the naan with chopped cilantro or garlic before cooking. Enjoy your homemade naan, fresh and delicious.